Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to jack up. I didn't see any videos for how to jack up the EV for the Equinox EV. So underneath we have four. There's four little boxes where you can kind of connect, and each tire has its own box. So here's one, and this is the front one. When I get up, I'll show you more. So this is where you put. You're gonna lift it here. I don't know if you guys can see. You're gonna put it here. I'll show you after when I put my jack to lift it up. So there's one here, and there's one in the back over there. See? There's like a hole over there. I don't know if you see it. I'm taking my finger out. So if you come here, there's a place here that you can put your jack to lift it. And it's indented, so you see like it's got an indent here for you to lift it. Right here. There's an indent, and this is where you put the jack right here. I don't know if it's easy to see, but so I'm gonna hook it up, and then I'll record and show you guys with my jack. Okay, so I'll show you now where we put the jack, which is this one. I'm gonna see if I can do the recording. It's a good spot. Now I'm gonna lift, and it's a heavy car, so I'm always scared, so I'm gonna lift it slowly. I'm just gonna lift it enough where the tire kind of moves up and off the foot. Let me see if when it moves I stop it. You guys might hear me grunting because these tires are heavy. The other one I did good. I lifted it just the right height where I just slid the other tire in. And the tires, you have to make sure that there's a thing called rotation on them. Make sure that they're on the right side of the car, because rotation has to go to the front. Let's see if I can take them off. I'll bring the other tire here to bear it. Prepare the tire in advance. I'm gonna pop the bolts out with this electric one. Always scares me doing this because I'm always afraid the car is going to follow it. So the tire move. Let's see if I can take the tire out. So jack it up a bit more just to make sure. Move it. Hopefully it stays up. Now, the winter tire. And I don't care about the rims, I put different winter rims. Let's see if I do this without grunting. tighten up the bolts. Force like a mule. Check that one. You can see it's blood on it. Now I put the bolts temporarily. Okay. I don't know how they do it when they lift up the tire above the waist. And put the bolts and make sure so something happens, it's being held. Done. I don't know if you see, but I'm sweating. I don't know if the tires. It's a video pointing at the bolts, or am I pointing at nothing? Let's see. Yeah, so there. Not easy doing videos by yourself. A wrench that tightens it to the correct pressure, and that's it, guys. So now just bring down the car and hopefully the tire stays in its spot. Yep, there we go. Yeah, so now, and the other one is going to be back there. Same thing, there's like a hole. If you go underneath, you'll see a hole where you can jack it up. So I have one left, so I'll cut the video here. You guys get the idea.